What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Chevy 254, man. You tune in for another one. As you can see, it's a beautiful day out here. Just got doing a little bit of yard work, man. But that ain't why we're here today. I'm here to tell you, bring you some breaking news that let me step back. I'm here to bring you some breaking news.
Hey, I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey, my Chevy. I'm gripping in my Chevy. Okay. I'm flossing in my Chevy. I'm riding in my Chevy.
That the Riviera. Oh shit. Put some hand sanitizer on my hand. The Riviera is gone. Let's get into it. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Chevy 254, man. You can tune in for another one. As you see by the title of the video, this Riviera is gone. Let's count our vehicles. Cutlass accounted for. Box Chevy accounted for. C10 accounted for. What is this? That's a Charger. Also accounted for. And of course we got the Ram, which is also accounted for. Knocking on the streets. Doing some yard work this morning. Not hiding behind there. And that is because the Riviera's gone. Like, gone. Like, gone with the wind. Fabulous. Gone. So, you might be asking why. And I guess I kind of owe y'all an explanation. So, here recently, the Riviera's been giving us a couple issues, whatever. I really wasn't sure. It was like a loss of power, some shaking. Not really exactly sure what it might have been, but I knew I wasn't willing to really dive off into it. I'm gonna wear my hat like that so y'all can see the logo. So new hat alert. So I wasn't really sure exactly how I wanted to proceed, but I did know kind of instantly, man, I don't want to put any more time, effort into the Riviera, man. We was almost there. We was almost done with the Riviera. The Riviera just needed paint, a couple more pieces, but she was running good, everything, and then this happened. So I don't know if it was something. I know it wasn't nothing super simple. You know what I'm saying? Definitely would have had to probably sink some more money off into it. Maybe not. I don't know. I thought and I contemplated and I said, self, this is a good time. This is an opportunity to just go ahead and focus on what we do. You know what I'm saying? Focus on what we do. And that's the box Chevy shit. Chevy shit and Cutlass shit. So this will kind of shift the focus off of the Riviera's is one less thing I have to worry about. We originally purchased it when we were commuting back and forth 40 miles or 60 miles a day. That's not the case no more. Different job, etc. So it wasn't life or death or any of that to make sure, you know what I'm saying, that we were able to, it wasn't that serious. You know what I'm saying? The Riviera served its purpose. We had it for 2 years. She did her thug thizzle. Hopefully the new owners are able to figure out what's going on with it and the Riviera lives on. But as far for us, it's on to the next chapter. or back to the chapters that we already started that we should have been focusing on more, but now we back on road. So
No, 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 hell no, 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 I refuse, no.
boys and girls, children of all ages, Black Chevy's back in the #1 spot. Should have never left, but you know, it is what it is. Yeah, excuse this here. I gotta get a screw. And I mean, it's little things like this that I've neglected to do the whole time, you know, to put this thing back together. Like I said, priorities are rearranged. You know what I'm saying? 1, 2, so like go ahead and get these Chevys done, right? Get these Chevys done, and then we can get back on the colors. I got some things coming. As you can see, the carpet. There was some water and shit getting in here, because I didn't have the drain tubes running the right way, so you can kind of see it's kind of blackish purple. So I'm gonna just get new carpet to put off, you know, new black carpet. The dash cap is still under construction. I still need to do that for the channel. I still need to do it for myself, you know what I'm saying? Just put something else up under my belt. You know what I'm saying? Finish up this wiring, man. Get a CD player off in here. I still gotta mount my sunroof button. So that, because right now I don't have no power, so I still need to mount that. I don't know if I'm gonna come from behind and maybe just hang it right there. My fault. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna just come from behind and hang it right there for now, or I don't know. We'll see. I mean, if it kind of mounted to something in here and I could just push it, then that'll be dope. So whatever. So I don't know, bro. I don't know. Got the AC settings there. But yeah, man, it's really not much left. Like I said, I'm gonna get a carpet for that thing, man. Put the black with the blue carpet. Headliner's already done. As you can see, get that dash pad done. And shit. Business time, bro. Business time. Like I said, a lot of that trim and stuff, man, I already got it. It's in the trunk, it's in the garage. But it's time to put it together for real. So, I mean, I know we've been slowly but surely working on it. However, there's been distractions, and the Riviera, to be honest, was a distraction. So, time to go on and get back on the road with the block shit. Trying to think what else. All the bottom trim, I got all that shit. So Most of y'all know what we got for it. We just hadn't been getting it done, but now it's time, like, for no more play in GA or no more play in Texas. You know what I'm talking about? No more play in Texas. So in the coming weeks, that's what kind of going to prompt this new video format, etc., etc. If I'm not rushing to give y'all a video every day, I could take 2 or 3 days, make a video about something that we constantly working on. You know what I'm saying? Well, if it's the box Chevy, then it's the box Chevy, which should be the main content here, other than the Cutlass. So if it take me 3 or 4 days to get something done for it, then by all means, but the progress will be getting made on the same vehicle. So that's why it's gonna slow down a little bit, but progress will be being made. So I think it'll be a great trade-off. A lot of people have been waiting for the box Chevy. I just keep on sliding that bitch to the back burner, and I apologize. You know what I'm saying? I guess I feel like it's like sometimes, like, if you're in a relationship or some shit, and then you get comfortable, like, oh, well, I got her now, or I got him now, and now you got him, and then you just like kind of treat him kind of bad. You know what I'm saying? Don't get me wrong, I ain't treated her bad, but not the best. She ain't been a star player. So Chevy back on road, man, and that's what's going down. It's your boy, Let's Shit Route 254, man. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone.